In the world of manufacturing, time is money. What if you could have perfect corner welds every time, and you didn't need a skilled welder to do it? And what if this perfect weld would actually take less time to achieve? Fab Automation has a solution. The welds from our machine are not only perfect, but they are clean and require no additional steps to get them to a finished, usable state. We service all industries, from food and beverage and HVAC to aerospace, medical, and many more. We don't only supply you with the machine and tools needed. Our team also provides personalized customer service, hands-on training programs, and on-site support when needed. Our clients save enough time on these welds to close in on their lean goals. Our machines can handle all types of welds from corner, tube, straight angle, and in a large variety of sizes. Semi-automatic manned machines or fully automated robotic systems are available for all types of welding technologies. We know that your time is valuable and that every second counts. Streamline your workflow and save time, materials, and cost. With perfect weld technology from Fab Automation, contact us today for a free demo and to see how we can improve your workflow.